Hi, Simple Life Ministry, Lorna here, back at you with another video. Today I want to do a video to show you how I replace my sweet milk. So instead of using the sweet milk, I make my own milk, and so come on with me and see how I do. I use this milk in anything that you would use sweet milk for. That's how I do my milk. So let me show you. So you get a trusty blender. If it's not the Vitamix, blend it some more to make it creamy. I go in with, this here is 2 cups of cashew. You can use almond if you have almond also. So 2 cups of that. Then I'm going to put about 1 cup of, this is coconut milk. I made this morning, so this is 1 cup coconut milk. And I'm gonna go with that and see. I will put the right recipe in the description. This here is 1 cup maple syrup. I may not need that much. I will see. I do need that much because I'm making sweet milk, so I need it. Okay. And before I put the rest, I'm just gonna blend it up here. All right, give me a second. Okay, family, before I go on now, I'm going to put about 2 teaspoons of organic vanilla. To me, you can't have too much vanilla. I love vanilla. I'm going to have 1/4 of cardamom. 1/4 cardamom. Cardamom gives it a nice flavor. This is, I'm going to put 1/4 salt. You can add more salt if you choose, because the salt does bring up the taste. Okay. Okay. I see where I need some more milk, so I'm going to put some more milk. Okay. All right, let's go in again. All right, family, that's it. That's my milk. Nice and rich. Let me give it a taste test and see. Oh my, sweet, flavorful, vanilla, lots of vanilla flavor, and the salt just kick it up. So family, this is how I make this is my milk. And you see, it's rich and nice. And another thing I do, hold on. Say I have my fruit here now, family. I will pour some over my fruit. So let's pour it out and show you. And this can even freeze. So if you're not going to use everything now, you can freeze the rest, portion it out so you can have it. And here now, I'm just gonna pour it over my fruits. This is red apple. This is red Ethiopia apple with what is raspberry and papaya. So I just go on in, family, like that. This is my breakfast for today. So amazing, family. You have to give this recipe a try. You won't need to buy condensed milk anymore. Just blend up your almond or your cashews with your whatever sweetener you choose. I love the maple syrup because it gives it has that right flavor to it with the vanilla. Your spices, if you have your more favorite spices, you could use those with a pinch of salt. So family, I pray that that was a blessing for you. Go ahead and please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And bye for now. Bye for now. Which video on, Charlie?
For sure.